Alright, this is going to be my first time using this drill press. I got for my birthday. I'm really excited. It literally has like a laser. You can see crosshairs. It's got a little light on it. It's 10-inch, super powerful. Got it off Marketplace for a really good deal. Guy said he hardly ever used it. So we're going to put it to the test, drilling the hole for that bolt to go through, to bolt to the Yerf dog. That was super easy, like compared to using like a handheld cordless drill. Instead of like spinning, throwing sparks and whatever, it was throwing good metal shavings, didn't move an inch. That's awesome. I didn't know how useful one of these would actually be. Again, like I said, never used a drill press before. These holes look absolutely perfect. It looks like an actual trailer hitch receiver. So this bolt fits in here nicely. Really doesn't wiggle around. I mean, it does the thread side just a hair, but once that gets snugged down, that's going to be perfect. So this drill press, awesome. Ryobi, 10-inch. It's got a like crosshairs on it. You can see the X. It's got another little light. Awesome. Made this super easy. So we're gonna go get those bolted up and see how it looks.